North Central West Virginia leading the state in economic development. Robert H. Mollohan Research Center in Fairmont hosted the North Central West Virginia Economic Outlook Conference today. Several speakers talked about the growth and development amongst the four-county region, including a 7% growth in the past 8 years.
One of the most important points is we have a more diversified economy. There's not just one thing that you can point your finger on that says, this is why North Central is better. That's what you want, though. You want a more diversified economy where there's not one driver of the economy altogether. But for example, we have better human capital outcomes, we have better health outcomes, better education outcomes, and for that reason, we're going to be more attractive to potential businesses in a lot of cases.
And the conference also focused on the national economy as well as the rest of the state.